Here's how to make Windows 10 or 11 less bloated and run smoother. Go to Settings, then Apps and Features. Uninstall any applications you do not need. Common bloat includes Cortana, Copilot, Xbox Console Companion, the Weather app, and Windows Clock, since most people never actually use these. Go to Privacy, then General, and turn off all the toggles there, since these are just trackers collecting your data unnecessarily. Go back and head to Personalization, then Start, and turn off the relevant features there too. Go to System, then Notifications and Actions, and turn off the unnecessary notification options. Go to Personalization, then Taskbar, and turn off the first 4 toggles to clean up unnecessary taskbar icons and widgets. Finally, open Task Manager and go to the Startup tab. This lists every application that launches automatically when your PC boots. Right-click any app you do not need running at startup and select Disable. Repeat this for any other application you want disabled, and your Windows installation will feel noticeably lighter and faster. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.